Hello, everybody. So, this is a new family. She's just putting PJs on. Well, let's introduce you to everybody. Let's do the oldest first. What happened to your game system? Oh, right there. This is Jason, Sophia, Robin. Robin doesn't like loud noises. That's why he has the headphones on. Hold on. Get up! Stop playing your games and let's go. Dinner? Yep, let's go. He plays soccer. Sophia, come on. Huh? Let's go. Let's go. Buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh. You want to take this downstairs? Yeah. Hi, George. I'm gonna make tacos and stuff, okay? Mom, we have to buy a TV. I know. Close the door, please. The taker. There we go. I shouldn't cook the meat first, but that's fine. And one more. Come on. There we go. No, thank you. Okay. Perfect. Gotta open an extra pack of strawberries. Let's do those two extra. You know what? Let's give him extra too. I'm making peppers now. Making peppers for dinner. we don't have anything to drink. I forgot about that. Ay. Guess we're just drinking water. But I know my kids, they're gonna complain. And I gotta, yeah, because it went under the table. I had to fix it. Put that on my kids. Okay, I don't mind seeds. Alright. Alright. Ay, sit down. Dinner's done. Alright. Dinner's done. Alright, kids. Let's go. Alright. Alright. I gotta buy toothbrushes. Oh, and I forgot to say, they just moved in, so they don't have a lot. Alright. So they need to get a washer. Alright. You need to be really quiet tonight. I know. If I don't, it will be triggering my brother. Yeah. Exactly. I know it's hard, but yeah, I know, Mom. Just for his health. Yeah. Alright, night, baby. Alright, night, baby boy. Bedtime? Yeah, bedtime. Okay, ready? Yeah. Do you want your headphones on? I want to try tonight. To not have any headphones. You sure? Yeah. Okay. You need anything, I'll be in bedroom, okay? Okay. Mom, there's a laundry basket in here. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Let him. Alright. See you guys in the morning. Alright, dude. Get off your phone. It's time for bed. Okay.